So here are 3 checks that you should do before you get onto a scooter that will save your life. What I'll do first is I will check the tires for pressure and tread, and then I would squeeze the brakes rear and front, and then I would check the lights. So that will be the indicators and the actual lights if they work, and then I'll do a general walk around, because last thing you want is to find out in traffic that your brakes do not work. And then simple things like if the side stand retracts, and then get onto the scooter itself, get a feel for it, and then you are ready to go. That's it. 3 things to check that will save your life before you get onto the road, onto your scooter.